Welcome sa Makul Channel. This video is for all the traveler, especially sa ano ng Pier, Tondo. Doon marami actually gantong sitwasyon. And you will be grateful after watching this because alam ko mas marami pa pala actually na tao na mas okay dyan sa kalagayan mo, dyan sa kinalalagyan mo ngayon. This guys, hindi siya dahilan kung bakit ka dapat malungkot. That's why what happened here is the happening all over. It's happening all over this country actually. It's happening everywhere. Everyday battle, everyday struggle ng the least of the Filipino live here in the Philippines. This video is from poor Manila area, and you will see this kind of poverty here in Manila. Na-appreciate mo talaga ang buhay every time na you try to enter sa mga gantong area, especially sa mga poorest to the poorest like Baseco, Payatas, Tondo, and in the middle of NCR. Napakaraming gantong area guys. You will appreciate your life. It's better than the list of these people around here guys. I create this content not because of may ma-upload, and is the one thing that impact, and it means a lot. I hope this video will make an impact too. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like. Thank you guys. Enjoy watching. Welcome sa Makul Channel.
Basta ito na yung dulo, di ba? Uy! Thank you. Opo.
Kita pabukas na! Kita pabukas na!
Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Yo! Welcome sa Makul Channel. Welcome sa Makul Channel.
What the?
Yo, good morning. Welcome sa Makul Channel. Yo, welcome sa Makul Channel.
Ito na yung labasan papuntang Manila.